In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track sales in Insightly. To begin tracking sales, you will start by creating an opportunity. In Insightly, look at the left sidebar and select Opportunities. From there, choose New Opportunity. Opportunities are the core of sales tracking in Insightly because they let you record a deal, estimate its value, and move it through a defined sales process over time. On the New Opportunity screen, enter the key details for the deal. First, type a clear name that makes the opportunity easy to recognize later, such as the customer and the product or service. Next, enter the value, which is the expected revenue for the deal. Then set the projected close date. This date is important for forecasting, so use your best estimate based on the current conversation with the customer and your typical sales cycle. After that, choose the pipeline and the stage. The pipeline represents the overall process you use to manage deals, and the stage shows where this specific opportunity currently sits, such as early qualification or a later negotiation phase. Picking the right stage is how you keep your tracking accurate over time, especially when you review performance or build reports. Once those fields are set, select Save to create the opportunity record. Now open the opportunity record you just saved and go to the Activity tab. This is where you will capture the work that moves the deal forward. From here, you can log a call when you speak with a lead or customer, or you can add a note to record meeting details, next steps, or important context. Keeping activity updated makes the opportunity easier to manage and helps anyone on your team understand what has happened and what needs to happen next. Finally, to visualize and track your overall sales pipeline, go back to the left sidebar and select Reports, then choose Opportunity Reports. In the list of available reports, select Opportunity Pipeline Funnel. This report gives you a clear view of how opportunities are distributed across stages, which helps you understand deal flow and identify where sales are progressing or getting stuck. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.